Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Supervisor Ma'am, all the teachers, members of my APT team, and the Prefectorial Council. I, Mrs. Reshma Gaikwad, welcome you all to this very special Online Teachers' Day program organized combinedly by APT team and the Prefectorial Council. First of all, I would like to wish Principal Ma'am and all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. मेरी और मेरी पूरी टीम की ओर से आप सभी गुरुजनों को शत शत नमन। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Now I hand over the anchoring to two of our talented prefects, Ahmed and Ria. Over to you, Ahmed and Ria.
The purpose of our life. As a great beginning leads to a great ending, we have Mr. Ivan Sequeira, the Joint Secretary of APT, for a speech. Over to you, Uncle.
Teachers, Principal Ma'am, Supervisor Ma'am, Head Teacher of Primary Section, Teachers of Secondary and Primary, my fellow APT members, and members of the Prefectorial Council. It gives me an immense joy and a privilege to say a few words to welcome you to this unique, hopefully once in our lifetimes, celebrations from home and celebrations at home Teachers' Day. A few minutes truly does not do justice to capture the equations, the emotions, the camaraderie, guidance, and bonding experienced by our students, and may I humbly add, we parents too, in our interaction with you teachers. For some of our senior teachers, it would be their last Teachers' Day celebration. We wish them a rich and well-deserved retirement to enjoy. Thank you for your patience, perseverance, and hard work to enlighten us. Keep giving us your guidance. May God give each and every one of us here the grace to embrace, cherish ideals and values, the fortitude to forgive and grow, and the ultimate blessing we all now need in life, peace of mind. We have tried our level best to embrace technology, given the short time constraints to make these celebrations possible online. Kindly forgive our shortcomings. Once again, all the very best from the parents of HMPS School on Teachers' Day. Stay safe, and a big God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for a wonderful speech. Now, I would request Master Rishabh Jani to express his views.
थैंक यू रिया एंड अहमद। तो कहते हैं कि अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताते, कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाते। गुड मॉर्निंग टू वन ऑल प्रेजेंट हियर। It is my honor to stand before you and share my thoughts on importance of teachers in our life. Teachers' Day is celebrated as a tribute to the valuable contribution made by our teachers for enlightening and shaping the future of our nation. On this day, we fondly and gratefully remember Dr. Radhakrishnan, the great educationist and also a former president. He once said that teachers should be the best minds in the country, and hence this day is important for all of us. Teachers play a prominent role and act as a torchbearer for the nation. They not only provide us with the information and knowledge, but also teach us morals and ethics, which in future shapes the personality of an individual. They bring out the hidden talents of students, encourage them, motivate them to do their best. Just as a potter shapes a pot and puts it into the fire for making it strong, a teacher also puts us to various challenging situations for making a better person in life. However, we often fail to show our respect and appreciation towards them. Therefore, this day gives us all a chance to thank them for their invaluable service. I thank all my teachers for their selfless service toward the students, thereby shaping the future of our nation. Thank you all for your undivided time. Once again, thank you.
Thank you, Rishabh. Your words have filled us with enthusiasm. Poetry is a form of expression. It has a positive social impact. So we have Master Akshat Mistry from the Prefectorial Council who is going to recite a poem on this marvelous occasion.
थैंक यू अहमद एंड रिया। आज शिक्षक दिन के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं अक्षत मिस्त्री सभी गुरुजनों के लिए एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। गुरु का महत्व कभी होगा न कम। हाँ, गुरु का महत्व कभी होगा न कम। कितनी भी कर ले उन्नति हम, नहीं है शब्द कैसे करूँ धन्यवाद। बस चाहिए हर पल आप सबका आशीर्वाद। आज मैं जो भी हूँ उसमें आपका ही है योगदान। हाँ, आज मैं जो भी हूँ उसमें आपका ही है योगदान। जिन्होंने दिया मुझे इतना ज्ञान, आपने बनाया है मुझे इस योग्य कि मैं प्राप्त करूँ अपना लक्ष्य। दिया है हर समय आपने सहारा। हाँ, आपने दिया है हर समय हमें सहारा। जब भी लगा हमें कि मैं हूँ हारा, करता हूँ दिल से आप सबका सम्मान। हाँ, मैं करता हूँ दिल से आप सबका सम्मान। मेरे सभी शिक्षकों को कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। धन्यवाद।
That poem indeed had a deep meaning. Thank you, Akshat. Dance is a lively way of expression. It refreshes our mind. Miss Aba Kale from Prefectorial Council is now going to present a dance.
This Teachers Day दिल से निकले सिर्फ एक ही और बोल, थैंक यू टीचर। लड़खड़ाते हैं हम लेते हैं खो जाए जो राहें रोशन करते हो। कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो। हमें है कि हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सी तुम्हें होती है दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती। हमने भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये बोलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार। हाँ भी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। Thank you for everything, teachers.
Thank you, Abha, for that pleasant dance. Now we have Vinita Auntie from the side of APT for a dance.
हो
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Yes, a day without laughter is a day wasted. So we have decided to make you all laugh.
So we have a stand-up comedy by Master Farhan Maulvi on the topic Taj Mahal and the other things, and it will be followed by the stand-up from Master Shekhar Durbar.
Do you know in the recent times, due to air pollution, the color of Taj Mahal is changing from yellow, which I feel is a good thing because already सभी लोगों ने white Taj Mahal देख लिया. You know, the worst thing about going to a place like Taj Mahal is that you can't wear shoes and go inside. You have to wear socks because apparently Mahal में scratch है. Do you think Shah Jahan had the same problem? I mean, Shah Jahan ने महल बना दिया and then there is a laborer outside who is not coming in. And then Shah Jahan to the laborer will like, ओए तू बाहर क्यों खड़ा है, अंदर आना. क्या करे साहब, मेरे पास सॉक्स नहीं. सुन, मैं इधर का राजा है, मेरे पास ढेर सारे सॉक्स है, तू मेरे 2-3 सॉक्स पहन के अंदर आना. क्या करे साहब, आपने हमारे हाथ काट दिए, मैं सॉक्स कैसा पहनेगा. Like the main architect of Taj Mahal, okay? He spent 21 years of his life working on a single project and he killed him. I mean, seriously, imagine if you work for 21 years of your life on a single project and you end up making a wonder of the world. You would not expect this. Imagine if you start using death as a form of payment now. I mean, for example, a worker comes to your house for renovation, does the POP work and asks your mother, Madam, paise. Then your mother slams a piece of marble on his head. How would that feel?
HMPS, our life since the past 10 years. Memories, some fun, some hilarious and some absolutely crazy. So, I will count some instances that will take you down memory lane. तो चलो चलते हैं. Okay, so first let's talk about Ganpati and Christmas vacations. Vacations? कौन से vacations? These were more like free days given to complete your assignments. And also as a matter of fact, हम लोग के complex में नॉर्मल स्कूल डेज में ज़्यादा बच्चे बाहर खेलते थे दैन इन वेकेशंस। और समोसे कौन भूल सकता है? समोसों के लिए तो इतनी भीड़ लगती थी कि बिग बाज़ार में भी उतनी भीड़ नहीं लगती। चाहे लोगों की तबीयत खराब हो या बस मिस हो रही है, वैन मिस हो रही है, किसी को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था। सब लोग आते थे समोसे खाने के लिए। और कहाँ कहाँ लेके जाते थे समोसे, हाथ में, टिफ़िन में, कोई प्लेट लेके जा रहा है, कोई हैंडकरचिफ में डाल रहा है, कोई पॉकेट में डाल रहा है, सब जगह से लोग समोसे लेके जाते थे। एंड द मेन रीज़न फॉर डिमांडिंग एक्स्ट्रा समोसाज वुड बी, मामा थोड़ा दे दो ना, छोटी बहन के लिए ले जा रहा हूँ। Rains in our school have a great relationship. Little rains, floods. Heavy rains, floods. And what did we see? Worried teachers and parents, overexcited students, and the return of serial selfie takers. पानी कमर तक आ रहा है, इट्स एंटरिंग द स्कूल बिल्डिंग एंड एवरीवन्स पैनिकिंग। अरे पानी आ रहा है, क्या करेंगे? और लोग बाहर जाके सेल्फी खींच रहे हैं। हैशटैग मुंबई फ्लड्स, हैशटैग एन्जॉइंग रेन, हैशटैग स्विमिंग, हैशटैग आई कांट स्विम, हैशटैग ड्राउनिंग, हैशटैग बचाओ। तो है ना ये इनक्रेडिबली यादगार पल जो हमें, टीचर्स को, पेरेंट्स को और सभी को हमेशा याद रहेंगे। On this note, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. I hope you enjoy the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Farhan and Shikhar. You already made me laugh.
तकदीरे किताब यो ही नहीं बदला करते, तकदीरे किताब यो ही नहीं बदला करते, मेहनत की कलम से पन्ने लिखने पड़ते। और ऐसी ही मेहनत हमारे टीचर्स हमारे लिए करते हैं, and we have to thank them for all their hardship. So we have a special video from the Prefectorial Council, and this video is made and edited by Master Joshua D'Souza, Master Rayan Siddiqui, and Master Tushil Vyas. Hope you all will enjoy.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शाम आना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी, गर्मा गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिंदगी तो है बताशा, मीठी मीठी सी है आशा, चकले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले इसे। तुझ में अगर प्यास है, बारिश का घर भी पास है, रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे आकाश है। तू धूप है जल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू
Thank you, Joshua, Rayan, and Prashant. Memories are priceless treasures of heart. Things end, but memories last forever.
थम के रह जाती है जिंदगी जब जम के बरसती है पुरानी यादें।
सिर्फ यादें ही हैं जो रह जाती हैं। सिर्फ यादें ही हैं जो रह जाती हैं। बाकी सब तो वक्त लेकर चला जाता है। To relive those memories, we have a very special video of the last year Teachers' Day memories. And this video is also to thank our teachers for their hardships towards the online class. This video is made by the APT. Hope you all will enjoy.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया छुट्टी कोई काटो ना है हद तो होश में कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है
Credit for this video goes to Mrs. Parvinder Kaur from the APT.
We would now request the teachers to accept a virtual token of love from Prefectural Council and the APT members.
Thank you. Wonderful flower of bouquet.
Thank you, dear teachers, parents and children. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. That's a huge bouquet. I think one
I
for
know.
each one of us.
A
Yes.
rose for each one of us. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank
Yes,
you,
it's a-
APT.
It's a token of our love to all the
Thank
teachers.
you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you all of you.
to all for this lovely bouquet.
Wonderful program.
In the end, I say thank you to all of you, parents, children, thank you all for your love. Thanks.
Before on, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for the opportunity to organize this online Teachers' Day program. Because of it, we could organize the program even in this pandemic. Thank you all, the teachers, for joining, for your presence. I would also like to thank the Prefectorial Council for the involvement and efforts taken by them. Last but not least, thank you to each and every APT member of my team for their hard work and efforts, without which this program could have not been possible. Thank you all. Now, I request Madam Principal to say a few words.
Yes, definitely, Reshma. Now I can see on my screen a beautiful cake We would have been definitely, like if the pandemic time would have not been there, I would have cut this cake and we would have enjoyed it together.
Yes,
So, but
yes.
anyway, this virtual cake, virtual flower bouquet, we really, all entire team of HMPS really admire that. Now, to begin with, dear Vice President, Mrs. Reshma Gaikwad, Joint Secretary, Mr. Sequeira, members of APT, Captain Tanisha, and all members of Prefectorial Council, and all my staff members of HMPS. Fantastic morning for it is alters or you all must have enjoyed morning, and this is possible entire. Yeah, so Mr. Sequeira has wished us a good innings in future retirement life. Thank you, Mr. Sequeira, and everyone. Even Master Ahmad, he also spoke one sentence, यादें ही जो रह जाती है, यादें ही जो रह जाती है, बाकी तो वक्त के साथ गुजर जाता है. That sentence is really, really, truly applicable to us at the moment because we have put in long length of service, all of us. So हमारे लिए तो सही यादें ही रह जाएगी, वक्त हमारा गुजर गया. और ये बच्चों के लिए भी आफ्टर 10th स्टैंडर्ड whenever they leave, उनके लिए भी यादें ही रह जाएगी. और मे बी दे पास आउट आफ्टर 12th. तो ये जो यादें हमारी सबके साथ जुड़ी हुई है, it's really, really very good and we will never forget. And especially this particular APT members, all members including Reshma Gaikwad and Ivan Sequeira, you have put in such a great effort last year as well as this year. This type of AP team I have never seen in past. You all are working so nicely in a collaborative manner, keeping in mind all the parameters, balancing everything, which I've always appreciated, and a very nice behavior all the parents have shown whenever all the school's parents were together. This I will never forget. So it was a fantastic working with you all. Rather, I like sharing with you all whatever experience we had in HMPS with this particular team of APT members. And all the prefectorial council members, each and everyone who has put a fantastic show. You made us very happy by the program. You might have said, who am I? But I will say the program is Pehchan Kaun, because you are asking us to find out who is that particular person you are talking about, and you have described them each one very well. So that was really interesting program named Pehchan Kaun. After that, the program came off. You made us laugh, smile, sing, and that is a program of Antakshari. It was really nice. We really enjoyed. Though whether we know song or not, everyone has tried to sing. It was really nice time. Because in time of pandemic, when people are suffering, to make us happy is really good. And the occasion of Teachers' Day, you have really, really made us happy. Now we teaching community, in this time, times are bad, you all know. We have tried our best to reach out to all the students with the help of digital platform and try to occupy with your studies. So you remain connected with us and we guide you, and definitely we are doing our best. So this effort is appreciated by one and all you all, which is really admirable to us. So now, and last but not least, thank you for showing gratitude to all teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. And I wish God bless you, and we'll come back again soon. We should be meeting the moment this Corona time ends. That is the pray we all have to do together, so we come back to our normal routine. That's all. Thank you, Reshma. It was a wonderful time, and your entire team, the Prefectural Council, entire team. I'm sure all my teachers have enjoyed, and I wish lastly, stay safe and happy. Thank you, Reshma.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those
Ma'am,
words.
we miss dancing with you.
Correct,
Yeah.
yeah. Even I missed. I also. Anyway, but you made us sing. That was a really wonderful time. Now we have to adjust. We have to adjust depending on the time, right? Adaptability. But I'm really happy that we are connected together on a digital platform. That was really wonderful time.
Exactly.
Over to you, Tanisha.
Good afternoon, respected Principal Ma'am, Supervisor Ma'am, members of the teachers, APT members, and the Prefectural Council. As we have come to an end of this wonderful program, I would like to thank all the teachers on behalf of every student for inspiring, motivating, and encouraging us in every field and making us responsible towards our country. Even in this challenging phase of COVID-19, our teachers have left no efforts to make sure that we students do not miss our studies. A big thank you to all the teachers for always standing by us all the time. I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for giving us this opportunity to put up this virtual program. Thanks to the Vice President of APT, Mrs. Reshma Gaikwad, and her team for all of their support. And thank you, Master Ahmed and Ms. Ria, for anchoring this nice program. Last but not the least, my support system, without whom this program would not be possible, the school's Prefectural Council. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.